Hi, I'm Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars. Recently, I was turned on to a new product from GluBoost called MasterGel Ultra. This is a gel CA glue. Works great in vertical areas where the normal CA glues would run. It also has great gap filling capabilities. Now, on my bench right now, I have an old German guitar from the late 1800s. Had some very intricate inlay work on the fretboard. Unfortunately, the old fretboard had to come off. I saved the inlay. I want to put it in the new fretboard. Since this has great gap filling capabilities, I'm going to use this to inlay the old inlay into the new fretboard. Let's do it. So here's a piece of inlay from the old fretboard. It's got some very intricate scribing work done there. It's very well done, very old, and I'm going to inlay it into the new fretboard. I've already cut the cavity. This is going to go in there now. And I'm going to use the MasterGel Ultra to do that. I'm going to start just by putting a little bit on the palette here. And this has a very long open time. I'm then going to use some of their master tint to color the gel. Now, this is a very concentrated, fine powdered tint, so it doesn't take very much. Then I'm going to take the whole mixture, put it in the cavity, and then in goes the inlay piece. Now, since this inlay piece has some very intricate and detailed scribing techniques on it, I want to clean that glue off of there so I have very minimal sanding to do afterwards. Since it has such a very long open time, I'm just going to wipe that glue off of there. This glue also works very well with the GluBoost Accelerator. And there it is. Now on to the next one.